this is my first ever Lego video. I've done domino videos for a while, but I thought that it would be a nice change of pace and first video on this channel. So what this is, it's a Lego machine I built a while ago but didn't get around to show it until today. So let me give you a 360 view. So what this machine does is that it's a Lego ball game that accepts coins. You insert one coin and it will give you either one or two metal balls to play, depending on how much balls there are in the machine. So what you do is that you launch them trying to land in one of these two holes. This one in here is the losing hole. You insert the ball there, nothing happens, it just gets stuck in the machine. You insert it here, this is like the extra balls hole. It will at least give you back the ball that you launched, and at best will give you from 1 to 2 extra balls. And this is the winning hole. You insert the ball here, and you will get it back, and you will also get a combo, or two, or maybe more. Okay, so now it's time to show it in action. Now, I've used for these Colombian 500 peso coins, both the old ones and the new ones, just to show, with one coin that I tried tons of times, because, well, I live in Colombia. Now, I have also tested it with nickels and with €1 coins, and it also works with those. But right, let me use this. Okay, so as you can see, I got two balls. I lost that one. I lost that one too. Let me try it. Well, it gave me one this time. As you can see, I got it in the winning hole. So I got my ball back, and I also got a combo. Good. So now I decide to have another opportunity. And I lost. And this is my third coin. So let me try. And I lost it again. Alright, so I've gotten my 3 coins again here, and so I've tried. Now let's try this. Okay, so I've gotten one ball this time. Let me try. And I lost. Let me try again. I've gotten one ball again, so let me try. Sorry. Just wanted to demonstrate that bounce, that extra ball. So what you can do, you get is these 2 metal balls with that. So now you can play twice. See, I activated it again. I've got another extra ball. So now I have 3. Yeah, I have only 4 balls in this machine. So okay, I lost all of them. Now again. Okay, and I lost everything. Well. Okay, so in order to get the coins out, you need to turn the machine at this side, and then you see a little hole here, maybe, I don't know if the camera shows it, but you simply check the contents out. To reload the combos, you need to go here, take this thingy out, insert the combos here, and then close it. Alright, so let's now see this machine's mechanism. So as you can see, it has 3 levers. This one, and this one. So let's see. The coin mechanism is driven by this lever. So what you have to do is insert the coin, and as you can see, the lever will lift up, and the balls will come down to here. The extra balls lever works like this. The ball falls down here and into these ramps, and it lifts up that lever. And look how the prize one works. The ball falls here, falls down there, and lifts up that one. As you can see, there's a ramp here. Let's repeat this so you can understand better. So this is how this one works. The losing the losing hole is here, which means that the machine is self-reloading. Look, there's this little ramp thingy that separates the balls between the coin and the extra ball mechanism. So when the ball falls in the losing hole, look what happens. It goes randomly into one of those two. There are 4 balls in the machine in total. And let's see again. So we'll see this one. This is that one. And then this one. And then this one. And the ball will fall down there in the large coin bank. Alright, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this machine.